Have you ever pondered over the differences between LightGBM and XGBoost? Well, if so, this is your lucky day. First, let's dive into the world of LightGBM. Developed by Microsoft, LightGBM stands for Light Gradient Boosting Machine. It's a gradient boosting framework that uses tree-based learning algorithms. But what sets it apart? It's all about speed and efficiency. LightGBM employs a novel technique of gradient-based one-side sampling, or GOS for short. This method keeps all the instances with large gradients and randomly samples instances with small gradients. This results in fast and accurate results, even when handling large datasets. Now shift your attention to XGBoost. XGBoost, short for Extreme Gradient Boosting, is an open-source software library which provides a gradient boosting framework. It's robust and it's powerful. XGBoost offers several sophisticated functionalities, such as handling missing values, tree pruning, and cross-validation. But how do they differ? Well, LightGBM and XGBoost are similar in many ways, but they also have key differences. LightGBM grows trees leaf-wise, while XGBoost grows trees level-wise. This means LightGBM can converge much faster than XGBoost, but at the cost of potentially overfitting the data. Additionally, LightGBM has a smaller memory footprint than XGBoost. It's more efficient when handling large datasets and high-dimensional data, making it a favorite among data scientists dealing with big data. On the other hand, XGBoost is known for its robustness and high performance, especially when dealing with a moderate number of features. Moreover, XGBoost has a built-in cross-validation feature, which LightGBM lacks. This feature allows XGBoost to calculate out-of-fold predictions, which is a crucial step in many machine learning tasks. To sum it all up, LightGBM and XGBoost are both powerful tools in the world of machine learning. LightGBM shines in its speed and efficiency, especially when dealing with large datasets. XGBoost, on the other hand, stands out for its robustness and built-in cross-validation feature. So which one should you choose? Well, that depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in the world of data science. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive comparison of LightGBM and XGBoost. Always keep learning, always keep exploring, and you'll continue to unlock the wonders of data science.